It's a robbery, don't make it a murder.
Important record people.
You better cap me right
Bring
now.
a message to the West.
Who sent you, my enemy?
King Jaw West.
Idiot!
Cock-a-doodle cluck. Welcome. The chewy bits aren't harmful, sir. Don't choke on the bone fragments.
Clear.
Understand? That's why I'm in the business of keeping people with company. You know what I'm saying? They got low self-esteem. They need to pick me up. They need to come down to the Pleasure Dome, hang out with me, Jizzy, and my girls. You know what I'm saying? They gonna keep you company, have you feeling good. And this goes for everybody. I don't care who you are, how old you are. So come on down and hang out with me if you're lonely. And I'm gonna tell you
You
something.
hit me. I like to share too, thank you.
That's just a damn shame.
My heart works at all.
Get back.
I really enjoy.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ?
What's cracking?
Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Them marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder gonna handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
Nah, but him and the homeboy Bear, they be good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
To my brother, stay strong, keep your heads up.
Hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
One of the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which store it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you this it.
Open up!
Who the fuck is it? CJ, the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
Wait, hold up, man. What happened to For Life, nigga?
The only thing that matters is the hood, homie. But you'll never understand what getting this money is like. You know what, man? Get the fuck out of here before you be laying on your back. Big Bear, come check this fool.
Hey, Bear? Big Bear, that's you? Hey, you still from the hood, homie, or
Nah,
what?
the only thing Bear give a fuck about is smoking and keeping my house clean. Ain't that right, Big Bear?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, what?
Hell yeah, sir.
Now go make that motherfucking toilet spark.
Oh, no, man.
Man. Bear, come on.
Everyone likes to party sometimes, CJ. I'll see you around.
Stay the fuck from round here, punk.
Hey, nigga, fuck you.
It's just fucked up.
I see what you mean now, man. If Crack can do that to Big Bear, turn him into a base slave, the average motherfucker ain't got a chance.
Damn dope fiends and drug addicts everywhere in the city. Piss me off.
Look like it's up to us then.
Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Hey, homie, this way! Hey, over here, come on, keep up!
Gonna shoot me over $200, man.
Excuse me, sir.
What's up, dog?
You ever seen the lights of Los Venturas?
The bomb, man.
Have a good day.
Hey, check it out. Somebody's selling to one of the homies. Don't block me, homie.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog?
You calling CJ a bitch?
Move it, motherfucker. Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Man, we on a serious mission now.
Man, don't sweat it, homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies. Ooh-wee! Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers. Grove Street OGs come to do damage.
Fuck them Grove Street fools. Grove Street going down.
Ninja these motherfuckers.
Live yet?
It's on now. Raise the fuck up out my face, fool.
Ooh.
You ain't got. What you want?
Let's do it, come on. Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on me.
Heroes get popped, move.
I'd kick you if my pants weren't so tight.
Bounce FM.
The man's about to play the talk box for you. The funk.
Time to change.
Can't you see?
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
You will. The funk.
And I'll warn the gang later. For now, this is fast and silence of victory,
and they can make you
motherfucker.
dance. Oh, you will dance, sucker.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Brother Carl has the best toilet paper.
Hey, what's going on, man? I'm feeling that car, homie. Hey, what's jumping?